Surprisingly, it wasn't too hard to find this. And empty. Oh, this is just like the one at Walden Galleria. Like literally exactly like it, but 3 floors. This is the elevator at Dick's Sporting Goods. Flatiron Crossings Mall, Broomfield, Colorado. We'll go back up one more time, listen to that motor. Oh, this is just the office. All right, we'll start the motor with the doors closed. I don't really want to risk going to 3 again, so we're just gonna go to 2 this time.